Welcome to Crafting with Inky Images. My name is Karen Haden and I'm a Stampin' Up! Independent demonstrator. Today I wanted to show you one of the things that Stampin' Up! Offers, which is a paper pumpkin crafting subscription. It's a kit that's delivered every month to your door. And each kit includes everything you need to make a really nice project. And the September kit includes everything you need to make these cute Halloween or Thanksgiving cracker boxes. And they give you, they'll always give you a Stampin' Spot. And this is Cajun Craze in this month's. They'll give you a little stamp set. And this has got pumpkins and that you can have for Thanksgiving or turn them into jack-o'-lanterns. It has a little witch's hat, and then it has some sentiments. And then also they'll give you either ribbon, or this month it's Baker's Twine, black and white, and they'll give you your dimensionals and glue dots that you need. In addition to that, they'll give you whatever die cuts you need to make your projects. And the instructions are included in the kit, and you're ready to go. So, I also wanted to show you this double-sided cardstock that's already die cut to make the cracker boxes. Now, we're not going to make anything today. I just want to show you what I've done with it. And I think I'll put this back up here so you can see better. But here's the little cracker box that I turned into a Thanksgiving treat. And it says give thanks, and you can fill it with Hershey Kisses. It'll hold 2 of the miniature Kit Kat bars. Whatever you want to fill in here. I thought for my grandkids I might put, a $5 bill inside because they would like that better than a piece of candy. But I had so many left. This actually will make 20 cracker boxes, but you'll have a lot of left over, and you can turn it into, I made this little Thanksgiving place card, and I will fill in the name of the person, and I'll put it by their place setting for Thanksgiving. And then I decided to use some extra to make a Halloween card, and you can use any die that you have, or any embossing folder that you have, and I used a spider web. And so this is my Halloween card. And then I also made this card, and this says give thanks, and it'll be a Thanksgiving card. And I have so much left that the girls will be making this card at my October stamp camp. So I just wanted to let you know, if you haven't already subscribed, that you can get the paper pumpkin every month delivered to your home, and you can suspend your subscription at any time or cancel it. And I wanted to show you, this is the paper pumpkin that'll be coming in October, and you have to subscribe by the 10th of October to receive this kit. But it is going to be a Christmas kit, and I always look forward to that kit to help me with my Christmas cards. So, if you would like to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, go on over to my Stampin' Up! Online store, and just visit my website at karenhaden.stampinup.net, or go on over to my stamping blog at karenhaden.com for more information. Thanks for stopping by.